Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are trying to fix my STI. Yesterday we got this thing tuned on the dyno. We kept having issues with it breaking up on the E85. Anything over 22 pounds of boost, which is some pussy boy numbers. This car should have made well over 500. It did make 500, but it could have made a lot more. The car still breaks up on the street, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it does here in a second, and then I'm gonna go to the shop and fix the car. We are picking up brand new plugs on the way. I'm not sure if that's the issue. These plugs only have like 400 miles on them, if that. So I doubt that's the issue, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Cars came a long ways. So we have one little issue left to fix, and this thing is 100%, and we can enjoy it all summer long. Apparently this morning the car wants to behave just fine. I did 3 pulls back to back. Nothing, no breakup whatsoever. This thing is so damn sus. Quick break to let you guys know that our essentials line is fully restocked. So we have these 4 different shirts in 3 different colors, 12 total shirts. We introduced the essentials line about a month ago and it pretty much sold out right away. The essentials line is products that we are aiming to keep in stock all the time, but you guys sold it out last time. So as of right now, it is fully restocked. First link down in the description box below. All right, so I have now done 5 pulls without a single issue. The car's running 100% perfectly fine today. This thing hauls ass, as you guys can see on the GoPro footage. As far as the car breaking up last night after we took it off the dyno, I'm not exactly sure what is going on there. Of course, I can't diagnose the car right now if it's not going to break up. So if I logically think about it, it seems like it's some sort of electrical issue, not a mechanical issue, like an intermittent electrical issue. There was a comment on yesterday's video, the dyno day video. Somebody said they had an identical issue on E85 only, like we are having. It ended up being a flex fuel sensor issue. We did swap out the control module itself, the IBR one to a Cobb one last night on the dyno. That did not fix anything, but we didn't swap the actual sensor itself. So I guess I'm just gonna drive the car, and if it runs fine for the rest of its life, then cool. If it starts breaking up again, we can start diagnosing it again. I do have new plugs right here, so I'm gonna keep these in case. I don't think it's a plug issue anymore now that it's perfectly fine today. It sounds like an intermittent electrical issue, so guess we'll see. Did you guys hear that? I like that it broke up, because now we can figure out what the hell is going on. I tried to do a second to third. Top a second, it broke up. This is gonna be such a hard issue to diagnose because it's so intermittent. Out of 7 pulls I've done, it broke up once. And I know it ain't too spicy of a tune. It's only at 22 pounds on E85, which is nothing. For reference, on Bobby's car, 58, we're on 34 pounds on E85 and 24 pounds on pump gas. Of course, a different turbo, but yeah. Alright, so the car, I feel like I made a little bit of progress. It was breaking up a little bit, and then I decided to do like a second to third gear pull. As soon as you shift, and it's not turbo lag or anything, it just completely falls off. This turbo's not that big to where it would lag on a flat foot. So I am heading back to the shop right now. I'm gonna swap plugs. And just to rule that out, I have brand new plugs. Might as well swap them in real quick. And it's gonna be much easier when it's not on the dyno because we can jack the engine up. It'll take about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna swap the plugs, I'm gonna gap them properly, and then I'm gonna go do another test hit and see what happens. I don't think it's gonna fix the issue, but I'm at a loss on what else to check besides that flex fuel sensor, which we could take the one off Bobby's car and put it on here and see if that fixes it. I don't know. I'm so confused. good progress. New plugs are in. Really heard the car break up at all. The issue we were having from a second to third gear pull was actually the traction control, and I completely forgot it's an 08, so it does have traction control. 07 did not. So yeah, that was just traction control. I just turned it off and it rips. Second to third pull is fine. Holy fuck. The issue is resolved. I'm confident in it now. I might have to run the beaters real quick.
Found it? You found the problem? Motherfucker.
Why does that happen?
Dude, it's a little sus.
Dude.
Why it fucking... Hey, you see this plug right here, guys? Fuck that plug.
Dude, the thing, hauls that.
So we're gonna turn it up more?
If you want.
Fucking yeah. Of course I want to turn it up more.
Dude, also, I was so confused. I called you earlier because every time I would shift, it would bog out like really bad, and then I realized it's traction control and it's just spinning. I was so concerned. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
I gotta go find this plug.
Oh my god, dude. Well, we had a cracked plug again, and I don't know why it keeps cracking. Dude, I bought both sets of plugs from the same place. It's called Boost Logic online. You ever heard of them?
I'm gonna show them some logic.
And then the last set I just got from O'Reilly's, so hopefully they're genuine. Apparently there's such thing as fake NGK plugs. Did you know that?
I just recently found this out.
Well, apparently we're finding it out more.
Surprised the whole damn thing didn't just break when I...
Is there any way something like with the car could be cracking plugs?
Which number was it?
That was 3.
So it's a different cylinder? No.
Yeah. Okay, that's what I thought.
I don't see any reason unless a coil pack was actually making the plug hot, like a bad coil pack could make this happen, but
yeah.
It's a different cylinder. But granted, we changed coil packs too, so.
I also did, I thought there was ground wires on the bottom, but there wasn't, so I put some of those on. So I don't.
Apparently, according to OTL, if you guys use their coil packs or didn't know, they make coil packs for Subarus, aftermarket ones that are upgraded, and they require grounds on the bottom. I was always told when I first got into modding these cars that those are just AM radio signals, which makes no sense to me. Yeah. I would imagine that they are grounds for the harness because there's only one ground on it anyway, so make sure your grounds are on. So.
I don't know, bro. It hauls ass though. On the way out here, the radio flew out of the dash doing a second to third.
I gotta go for a rip ski with this.
You want to?
Fuck yeah.
Are you busy on the dyno?
Found the problem.
I like cracked plugs. Are you gonna crack your plugs too in your 10,000 horsepower car?
It doesn't run.
This is Remy, by the way, boys.
Hello.
He likes oil leaks.
He's got more?
There's like
yeah.
Banjo bolts.
The Banjo?
Yep, something is. Something started pissing. Oh fuck, your whole valve cover!
What?
No, that's just coming out.
Shut the fuck up.
Well, boys, the car is definitely fixed. I've done probably 15 successful wide open pulls without a single hiccup. Bader does want to turn the car up more, and of course I do too. We were going to tonight. I ran out of time. I definitely did not want to be there till like 4:35 a.m. again. So we might turn it up tomorrow if we have time, which is exciting. I've done a little bit of reading, and I've seen the comment before as well. Apparently there's such thing as knockoff NGK plugs. I'm guessing that's what happened both times. Last time when we ended up losing a motor because of a cracked plug, which was much worse than, of course, this time. But this time a cracked plug was causing a bunch of breaking up top. Glad I fixed it. Glad I found it out before we potentially lost another motor, which would have sucked. Super excited to have this thing done. It hauls ass. It's gonna haul ass even more. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.